Hey everybody, welcome back to The Modest Wallet. I'm Sean Lehman, and today we're going to talk about a budgeting app that I've heard about for quite some time, but only found out about recently how it really works. Let me tell you, this budgeting software sounds perfect for someone like myself who loves budgeting with Excel, but doesn't like logging in all that data entry. I mean, that's a lot of expenses to account for. This budgeting app is called Tiller, and it will supposedly allow me to continue with what I love to use when budgeting, which I do with Excel, but also save me the time of having to enter every expense by allowing me to link all of my spending accounts. My goal is to show a little bit more about how Tiller works, its many features, as well as its pros and cons. I'll even take you inside it so you can see what it looks like yourself. Tiller Money is a personal finance tool that helps you manage your money in a smart and more efficient way. It's like having a virtual assistant for your finances that automatically updates you on all your financial information and puts it just in one place. So here's how it works. First, you connect Tiller to your bank accounts, your credit cards, and other financial accounts. Tiller then automatically downloads and categorizes your transactions so you can easily see where your money is going throughout the month. But the cool thing is that Tiller Money doesn't really just stop there. It also lets you create custom spreadsheets that are fully customizable, and they really meet your specific needs. This means that you can track your spending, your income, and your savings goals in a way that works best for you. Tiller Money also provides you with insightful charts and graphs, which can help you identify trends in your spending habits and help you to make informed decisions about your money. One of the key features of Tiller Money is its spreadsheet budgets. With this feature, you can create a customized budget for all your expenses, including bills, groceries, transportation, and really much more. You can also track your spending against your budget in real time, giving you a clear idea of your financial status at any given time. Another useful feature of Tiller Money is its expense tracking, and this feature allows you to track all your expenses, both fixed and variable expenses, and it can do this all in one place. You can easily categorize your expenses and see where your money's going, so you can make adjustments to your spending habits as needed. If you have debt, Tiller Money's debt payoff goal tool can help you pay off your debts more efficiently. So with this tool, you can set a debt payoff goal and track your progress towards that goal over a set amount of time. What this does is that it helps you to stay motivated and on track towards becoming debt-free. Tiller Money also offers Tiller Money feeds, which automatically import your financial data into your spreadsheets. This feature allows you to see your financial data in real time without having to manually enter it yourself. In addition to these features, Tiller Money also offers free and customizable templates, including the Foundation template. Foundation template is a pre-built spreadsheet that includes all the basic features you need to get started with Tiller Money. You can customize this template to fit your unique financial situation and your unique goals. Finally, Tiller Money offers AutoCat, which automatically categorizes your transactions based on rules that you create. And what this does is that it saves you time and effort, and you won't have to, manually categorize your transactions each time you make a purchase. All right, so let's briefly talk about pricing for Tiller. I know this is, for most people, very important to them. And it should be. After all, we are talking about budgeting, saving money, being efficient with your money, and you probably don't want to have to spend money to do that. So how much is a Tiller subscription? After a 30-day free trial, Tiller is $79 a year. That's just $6.58 a month. So I did mention that word free. I know my ears always perk up for that, and yes, they do give you 30 days to sort of test it out. Now, an important thing here to note is that you do need to give them your credit card information to start the free trial, which I know can also be concerning, but according to their site, you will not be charged until the end of your trial subscription. You can easily cancel at any time before the 30 days is up if you determine it's really not for you. You just have to simply log into your account and click cancel, and you don't then have to worry about getting charged at all. So having done my research, I did test out Tiller, and here are some of the reasons why I love using Tiller Money. First, Tiller is very simple to use in my opinion. Many people think budgeting spreadsheets are complicated, but Tiller's system is really easy to pick up. It takes only a few minutes a week to categorize expenses, making budgeting, a breeze. Secondly, Tiller Money has fast customer support. They respond quickly to any questions or concerns you may have. They also have a community support group where you can search for your specific questions and see what other users have said about them. Third, Tiller Money makes it easy to migrate from your old budgeting tool. They recognize that many of their customers have been using other budgeting systems and don't want to lose that data. What they do is that they offer step-by-step help, to upload that information from maybe Mint or Personal Capital or Quicken, or maybe even you need a budget. You can also bulk upload data directly from your bank or your credit card provider. Fourth, spreadsheets can be shared on Tiller Money. You can share your Tiller spreadsheet with really anyone else with a Google account. This makes it easier for couples or families to manage their money together. And finally, Tiller Money provides easy access with the cloud. Tiller works with Google Sheets, which is supported and hosted on the cloud. What this means is that you'll always have access to your Tiller spreadsheet when you're logged into your Google account. And it is great having my budget on that cloud because I can look at it no matter where I'm logged in. While Tiller Money is a great financial tool, it does have its downsides. So here are some of the areas where Tiller sort of struggles. First, Tiller Money isn't free. It costs $79 per year, as we mentioned, which can be a surprise if you're not used to paying for a budgeting service, compared to budgeting apps like Mint and Personal Capital, which are free to use. Tiller Money may not be the best choice for those who are maybe on a tight budget. Second, Tiller Money is completely spreadsheet based. So if you prefer using a mobile app, then Tiller may not be a good fit for you. Because it's spreadsheet based, Tiller works best on a computer or a laptop. While mobile customers may access their Tiller spreadsheet on their phone, it's not easy to use and needs Wi-Fi or data access to upload those new transactions. Third, Tiller Money has several spreadsheets available for Excel, but most people seem to prefer using Google Sheets. If you're new to Google Sheets, you might have a hard time getting used to it at first. Finally, Tiller Money is only a budgeting system. Unlike some of its competitors, Tiller doesn't track your credit score or tell you if you're not saving enough for retirement. It's designed to help you budget and track your money, not create a comprehensive financial plan. As with almost any service or app out there on the market, there are always some competitors, or I guess you could say alternatives. So there were two that I sort of looked into just to see how they compare. So if you want to make sure you're not missing something with Tiller, you could check out the budgeting tools called Mint and another called Empower. In regards to Mint, Mint is completely free, so definitely a nice alternative to a service like Tiller. But remember, in most cases, you get what you pay for. Through my research, Mint apparently runs into some issues with occasional account connection issues and categories not assigning correctly, among some other complications. Mint, however, is secure. It syncs to a wide variety of financial accounts. It has alert and reminder tools and calculates your net worth. It definitely is great for a beginner budgeter. Empower is another alternative which, like Mint, is also free. Empower is what you might call a financial dashboard that offers, some great tools to help you track spending, monitor your net worth, and track your portfolio. But once again, like Mint, connectivity issues with client banking and investment firms seem to sometimes be an issue. But that said, they do offer a great free net worth and spending tracker. All right, let's get back into talking a little more about Tiller. We've discussed the many features, so now let me show you a step-by-step process of how to sign up and then also give you an insider's look into Tiller. All right, so let's go in and log into the site to sign up. Just go ahead and just go through it all. I'll just kind of show you what the site looks like. I think you've already kind of seen that earlier. I'm gonna go and click on Try Tiller Free up in the top right corner. So start your free 30-day trial. After 30 days, Tiller is just $79 a year. Never any ads or hidden fees. Your card isn't charged until the end of your free trial, and you can easily cancel anytime, as we did mention. So just want you guys to know that and understand that. You do have to use your credit card, but if you don't like it in your free trial, then you can easily get out of it. So then you go to start your free trial. And I'm going to go ahead and continue with a Google because I do have a Google account, a couple Google accounts. I'll go ahead and put my email in. Now obviously, sometimes they're going to be throwing things out so that you can't see it. But just know that I'm using my Google account and I'm going to put my password in. All right, welcome Sean L. Ready to get clear about your money. Fast, easy, flexible. We'll email you before your trial is up. Cancel anytime. I'm going to accept the Tiller terms of service and I'm going to start the trial. And then here is where you're going to have to put in your information. So I'm just going to kind of scroll down there so you can see what you need to put in. And I'm actually not going to show you. I'm not going to show you my information. I'm going to skip to the next point after I put it all in. All right, so we are to the point where we have put all that information in, including the credit card, and now we're on to step 2 of 3 where it says welcome Sean L. And then you see the account summary. You haven't connected any financial accounts to Tiller. You must connect at least one account to start creating a spreadsheet. So I will start and I will go ahead and do that. And as you can see, it says select your institution. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that information in. Now, once again, I'm not going to share this with you right away because I do want to make sure that my personal information isn't shared, but I'll then get you to the next site once I get this information in. All right, so now we need to customize our experience. I did get through that part where I at least entered one account into it so that they are linked together. It did take a little longer than I expected. I'm not sure if it was just the slow internet or just the process just took a little longer. So it probably took me 3 minutes, I'd say, to get to this point. So now it's going to ask me what my skill level is with spreadsheets. And I am an intermediate, I'd say, when it comes to spreadsheets. And it says, what is your primary goal with this financial tool? And my primary goal is to manage, not business finances, track my spending and income. Or did you hear about Tiller? I'm just going to skip that and I'm going to submit. And now I'm here to step 3 of 3, create a spreadsheet using Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Honestly, I don't really care which one I'm going to go with, and hopefully you don't really necessarily care. I think I can use both, but I'm going to go with Microsoft Excel. If I had to choose, Microsoft Excel is probably the one I am a little more fluent in. So we'll go ahead and click Start with Microsoft Excel. And as you can see down here in the bottom left, you can see that there is a file starting. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. So as you can see, this does take you to a part where it's going to walk you through with your next steps. And I'm not going to go ahead and do that. I want to show you the sign up process and how you get to this point. But I'm just going to scroll down so that you can kind of see slowly what they're asking you to do in order to make sure that this is all set up on your computer the right way. As you can see, I'm just going to continue to go through each of these. Click on the transactions. You can see the setup, categories, monthly budget, the yearly budget, balances, and accounts. So that's just a basic overview. Or let's go back to talking about a couple more things about Tiller. Now that I've shared with you everything I've investigated regarding Tiller, let's briefly talk about who Tiller is best for. Now, Tiller is best known for, its sort of flexibility. While this is a great feature, it can also be a bit overwhelming for some people who don't know exactly what they want out of a finance system. So Tiller may not be as intuitive for everyone. If you work in finance, accounting, or data entry and spend your work life inside of spreadsheets, building out a Tiller sheet will be a breeze for you. However, if that's not your background, Tiller may feel like an over-engineered product. It's also important to note that if you prefer to manage your finances mainly on the go, you might want to consider a different budgeting platform that offers a mobile app. So keep that in mind when you decide if Tiller is actually right for you. I hope this short review on Tiller Money has kind of given you some insight on what to expect if you decide to budget with Tiller. I wanted to make sure I shared the pros and cons that we saw as we researched this budgeting tool, but I also wanted to make sure that you actually saw inside of it as well. So hopefully that was helpful as I kind of shared a couple things inside this budgeting tool. If you do want to check it out for yourself, we did leave a link in the comments. We pinned that. We also left a link in the description, so you're more than welcome to go ahead and you can easily get to the site, sign up, see if it's for you, and if it's not, you have those 30 days and you're not gonna have to spend any money as long as you cancel before those 30 days. But maybe you're gonna love it, and so this is gonna be part of your budgeting life. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button specifically for this video, but also subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out, and I'll see you in the next video.